If you're new to Microsoft Teams, then this video will give you a short introduction into Teams and the features available to you. You can see here that I've got the Teams desktop app open. When you log on to a college computer, the desktop app should open automatically, but if it doesn't, simply click on the Windows icon in the bottom left-hand corner and then choose Teams from the Start menu. So I'm in the Teams desktop app now, and we can see there's one team here. Now, depending upon the course and what you're studying, you may see more than one team. If I click into this test class team here, then we can see here, this is the main menu. On the left-hand side, we have channels. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is channels. So every team has a general channel. This general channel is set up when the team is created and is often a form of communication used by the tutor. Other channels will be set up depending upon your course and how you're studying. So a tutor may set up a channel for a topic, or may set up a channel for a week, or might set up a channel for a particular unit that you're studying. So you might see 1 or 2 or even 10, 15, 20 channels depending upon how the tutor has set up your team. If you're not sure about that, please do speak to your tutor who will explain it to you. In Teams, each channel has its own communication platform called posts. So you can see here that we have a series of posts, and in here there's a test post in the general channel saying hello. And when anybody puts a post in there, either your tutor or another student, you can reply to that post. So you can see here that this student has already replied to this post. So I'm going to click on reply and I'm going to type hello again. Press return and my reply is available in the team for anyone to see. You will see that these channels are not bold, but this particular channel here, test channel 2, is bold, and the reason it's bold is because there's a post being put in that channel which I haven't yet looked at. If I go to test channel 2, we can see here there's a post. So this is a way that's commonly used by tutors to ensure that they can communicate effectively with you. The tutor's saying, please bring in your folder tomorrow, please like this post so I know you've read it. If you hover over that post, you can see that emoticons appear, and I can click on like, and the tutor will be able to see a list of students who've liked that post and will know that you have read that post. Now you can see over here on the left that the channel is now no longer bold because I've looked at all the messages and all the communication in that channel. Each channel also has its own file structure. This is a file section for test channel 2, and you will see there's nothing in it. But if I go to the general channel and I now click on files, we can see that there's a lot more in there. Lots and lots of different stuff in here. So I can click on an Excel document and it will open the file within Teams. I'm just going to click on the back icon in the top left hand corner and it takes me back to the files section. So your tutor may have set up the team so all your files are in the files section just in one channel, or if you have a channel for each unit, then the files for those units may be in those test channels. If you're unsure, then please do speak to your tutor. In the top part of the test class here, you will see we've got class notebook. Now, if I go to click on class notebook, this will open the class notebook for this particular course. And we can see here, as it opens up, what you need to do is ensure you click on show navigation, and then you will be able to see your particular section for yourself. Your course may or may not use a class notebook. If you're unsure, please do speak to your tutor, but your tutor will talk to you more about your class notebook. Please do speak to them if they don't do that. The next section down is for assignments. If you don't use assignments, then this is not applicable for you. If you do use assignments, then your tutor will go through the assignments with you. If I click on Teams, that takes me back to the list of my teams here. You'll see we have other things down here. So at the top of the column, we have activity, and this gives you the most recent things that have happened. If I click on the next one, which is chat, we can see there's a chat message, and I've got an unread chat message. I know that because I've got a red one in the circle there. But if I now click into chat, I will see there's a message here. I can say, thank you, as well as typing a reply. I can click on the format text button underneath, and this works on whether you're posting in a team or posting in the chat. I've got some basic formatting of text here, so I can change the text color, the text size, I can add bullets, etc. I can also choose to attach a file if I want to. I can upload from my computer or from my OneDrive. I can use emojis and I can use GIFs as well. So altogether, I can add any of that. So I'm just going to put thank you, and then I'll click the submit button, and there you see my reply has gone there. And you'll see now that I've read that chat post, that red number 1 has disappeared. So you might see a whole list of people here. These messages are private between you and whoever that person is. So that's the chat function. Assignments here is just a shortcut to assignments in the actual team itself. This calendar is an exact duplicate of my Outlook calendar, and I can access Outlook by clicking on the start menu, and there's Outlook, and that will be my email and my calendar. On files, this is a duplicate of my OneDrive. Okay, so there's the OneDrive, and you can see there's not very much in it at this moment in time. I can also access my OneDrive by going to start menu, opening Edge, and logging into Office 365 as per the other videos on this site. So that's a brief introduction to Teams. There's lots more to it, but this should get you going in Teams. I hope you found this useful.